There is a great value in diversity. There is incredible blessings in learning from different people. There is awesome skill in tapping from varied viewpoints. So, no one becomes a successful story if they are boxed in, kind of boxed in their own corner and not allow fresh insights from beyond themselves. If you love to meet with different people, if you aren't afraid to dialogue with different ideas, you are training yourself for a big win. Diversity, my friend, is strength. It isn't weakness. It's proof of courage, not cowardice. So dare to engage with diverse people and ideas. God loves you. God bless you.